In today's video, we are going to show you how to link your Costco membership card to your Apple Wallet so you can access it quickly from your iPhone or Apple Watch. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, open your App Store, type in Costco, and you want to make sure that your Costco app is installed on your iPhone. Now, once it's installed, open it up, and then on your Apple Wallet, I want you to click the plus button and then look for your Costco membership card. Scroll down until you find it. And once you find your Costco membership card, all I have to do now is click the add a card. You need to provide all of the information needed, and basically that's it. Your Costco membership card is now saved in your Apple Wallet. Now, make sure you're always signed in into the iCloud on your device and keep your Costco app updated. Now, with the integration successful, you can now shop at Costco and use your Apple Wallet to make payments. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to link your Costco membership card to Apple Wallet. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.